Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are super excited today to discuss this lucrative business idea with you, which is how to start your t-shirt business at home and sell it through Shopify. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. To kick things off, let's first discuss why a t-shirt business and why Shopify. T-shirt is not just a garment, they are a form of self-expression. The market is unique and custom designs are hotter than ever. When it comes to selling online, Shopify stands out as a user-friendly platform with powerful features, making it a perfect companion for your journey. Before diving in, a thorough market research is crucial. You should know what are the latest trends and who are your target audience. Identifying your niche will not only set your t-shirt business apart but also guide your design and marketing strategies. You need to get to know about your potential customers like the back of your hand. Everybody wants to wear a t-shirt that is meaningful and unique. So it's time for you to unleash your creativity onto those t-shirts. Whether you're an artist or collaborating with one, your designs should tell a story. Shopify allows you to showcase your creations beautifully, making the shopping experience a visual delight for your customers. After setting up a home studio with essential equipments, the next step would be to create your store on Shopify. We have done a detailed video on what is Shopify and how does it work. I'll leave the link to that in the descriptions below. Quality matters. Explore suppliers who can provide you with good quality blank t-shirts and printing material. A happy customer starts with comfortable and durable t-shirts. Now that your store is up and running on Shopify, let's optimize it for success. Apps like Kiwi Size Chart can help you with accurate product-specific sizing recommendation for apparel brands and other stores with the power of machine learning, resulting in decreased returns, increased sales, and happier customers. And for the times when you run out of stock, you can always use Pre-Order Now app on Shopify to enable pre-orders on out-of-stock items and keep making money. ADG is a great option for you if you are looking for a one-stop solution for applying, managing, and creating all your discounts, free gifts, buy one get one offers, and tier discounts. Now it's time to get the word out there. From social media campaigns to influencer marketing, at the initial stage, you need to know all the effective marketing strategies to drive traffic into your Shopify store and convert them into sales. Learn how to build a brand story that resonates with your audience and compels them to hit the add to cart button. Once your order starts rolling in, provide excellent service, which is very crucial to build a loyal customer base. Trust me when I say this, happy customers is very crucial for the success of your brand. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide on how to start a t-shirt business at home and sell it through Shopify. We hope you liked today's video and all the very best for your t-shirt business. If you found this content useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, happy selling!